Hi, morning everyone. Crazy guy here again. Today I'm going to do something that is way out of expectation. I have the RF-800mm f11, right? So the bad thing about this RF-800mm f11 is you can't focus near. It's 6 meters, which is damn far away. That's the closest focusing, and it's f11, right? So I've done something crazy. Do you know the Speedbooster that we normally use? So what happened is, okay, I'm going to show you. This is, yeah, I just hacked it. I just managed to get hold of a Speedbooster, and let me take this out for you. Okay, this is what I did. I took out the core of the Speedbooster, which is just that lens, which is APSC, right? I know this is going to be cropped, right? So I put it in here, right at the edge, and I tape it up, and then hopefully it connects well. But we shall see how it comes out, because it can focus and it does crop in. But if you're using R5, then you use the crop mode, it should be great. But then let me try this out and see how the photos come out. But hey, this is crazy stuff. Okay, this is what happens when you turn it on. You see this because it's an APS-C Speedbooster, right? So it definitely will be cropped in, right? But I want to know what is the, see, now I can focus so near. Look at that, it's crazy good. Look at that, I'm focusing so near. Let's see, single point. Okay, there, I can focus there, which is just right in front. Look at that, that's right in front there. Okay, and it's not freaking 6 meters somewhere there, you know. If it's normal 6 meters, freaking hell there. Okay, that is 6 meters. Then this is like, I can focus here now, which is up front. Now the question is, okay, do you still get infinity focus? Okay, I still can. Okay, I still can shoot up there, the trees. Look at that. Yep, still can focus there. But the thing is, how is the ISO? Okay, so I'm gonna lock it down to, okay, now I switch it to crop mode. Okay, I'm doing 10160. It won't be f11 now, I think it's brighter, and I might fix my ISO as 200, right? I'm gonna shoot on that sensor there, right? Let's see how much brighter. Okay, that's how it looks like. Let's see, that's how bright it is. I'm going to take out the Speedbooster lens and see what's the ISO drop on this. So I took out the Speedbooster, and this is in full mode. This is not cropped, right? No, I think it's in crop. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to change it to full, and ISO 200, f1 10160, and is f11, right? So that's how it looks like. And this is full, this is crop. Okay, so now the question is, look at that, it is brighter. Look at that. Okay, it's darker. This is much brighter. So that means I'm on f8. It looks like f8, right? That looks like f8. And yeah, it's, even the back bokeh is different, right? Even this crop in, right? So it looks like f8. You can use this. That means I can change this and put in on maybe a R5, and then use a crop mode on a R5. I will try this out on the R8 and see how it comes out. At least I'm going to get the closer focusing, right? That's what I want, and brighter, so I can go to the darker areas to try to shoot. Let's go and have some fun with this. I'm going to put the Speedbooster back and see what I can shoot with this, right? So I'm just hanging the camera off my hands. Make sure there's no dust on this one, and go put this back in. So cross fingers, things will not drop in, because if it drops in, I'm in trouble. Let's hope that it stays there. Make sure there's no dust, because it just came from my pocket. and close this back in. Right. Okay, I'm gonna try this out. Let's get a few shots with and without the crop. So let's get that flower. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, don't mind me, such a mess. And I'm backlit, the sunlight is this way. I'm shooting against the backlight. And that's the magpie. Yeah, look at that. Got hold of it with the worm. Okay, so hope you guys like the Speedbooster hack on the RF 800mm f11. So I did the maths finally with the calculator. So it's with the 0.71 Speedbooster, it is 568, right? And then you need to times that to 1.6 again because of the crop factor. If you want to use crop, if you don't want to use crop, you get the vignette. But then the F11 becomes F8, so that's why the pictures are much nicer, I think. But the bokeh is so much nicer, and I'm having fun with this. So I hope you like the pictures and the video for this. Do give me a thumbs up, and I don't have to buy a 600mm. Even with 600mm, I'm not getting the F8, so I am getting a brighter focus here, brighter ISO. So I do hope you like this hack, and I can travel around with this. I just need to make a mount for it so that the Speedbooster can sit nicely inside without dropping into the lens when you extend it. And then and I got my hack that I want. I'll see you. Have a nice day. Bye.